Wow. What an absolutely beautiful bob haircut. This one does feature some gorgeous layers mixed in, the Bardot bang trend. This is such a chic and polished bob style. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more gorgeous haircut transformations. So if you've been thinking of cutting your hair and you're in need of some major inspiration, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up, we see someone with mid-length hair. Stylist does some nice face framing bangs here. Oh, what a beautiful bob. Wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. Now this one also features the Bardot bang trend. She looks absolutely remarkable, very nice. So next up we have someone with copper colored hair. It's like she wants to go shorter with more of a bob style. Now this particular stylist is known for doing some amazing bobs. We've checked him out several times on this channel before. And you guys already know copper is one of my favorite hair color trends for the fall season. I just think that it looks so beautiful. Oh, wow. So he does some layers to frame out the bob. Such a cute and chic hairstyle. I like that it features a few pops of ginger mixed in with a copper tone, kind of creating like a little bit of a highlighted feel. Beautifully done. Such a cute hairstyle. Next up, we have another long to short transformation. This is another one of my favorite stylists that I like to watch. She does brilliant pixie and bob haircuts. Oh, looks like you had a nice combination of both, more of like a pixie bob with a natural wavy texture to her strands. Oh, this is so chic. Very nice. And this would be a very low maintenance style. It's short, and because she does have her natural wavy texture, she can do a lot of wash and goes with this look. Very nice. And then we have our last hair transformation for today's video. She does have like a really pretty purple hue going on here. Now this particular stylist does a lot of like modern trendy hairstyles, a lot of which include mullets, wolf cuts. So she does a bit of a Shellwood here that's a cross between a mullet and a shag. And I think it looks great with the purple. Bordeaux bangs in the front. Such a cute style. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.